Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we've got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and close your Amazon account, but before that how you can delete your Amazon account, but before that please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply go ahead step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first access a particular Amazon app in your mobile phone. Once you have access to particular Amazon shopping, what you're gonna do is simply gonna go ahead, tap on this little profile icon given below. Once you have tapped on it, it's going to access the 4 topics on top right. You simply need the option called your account. Tap on it. Now you get all the settings regarding it. What you're going to do, you're going to scroll down all the way down, and then you'll find the option called close your Amazon account here in the data and privacy section. Go ahead, tap on it. And now I will show you all the servers with that's connected with your Amazon will be closed as well, so be careful, etc. Scroll down to the bottom again and tap on this yes, I want to permanently close my Amazon account. Tap on this and choose a reason, and simply tap on this close my account. Afterwards you will get a security measure to verify, and then afterwards you will be able to close a particular Amazon account just like that, aka delete it. That's the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.